Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 3. I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas so far. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my honey mustard baked chicken. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you guys can please subscribe, and also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Alright, and if you want to follow me on any other social media, you could follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at cookingwithafton. Alright, so thanks again for watching, and all of my measurements and ingredients I will leave it in the description box down below so you guys could get it there. Alright, thanks for watching Vlogmas day 3. Enjoy guys. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my honey mustard baked chicken. So I have some leg and thigh over there and drumstick. Over here I have my green seasoned mustard, mustard hot sauce, garlic sauce, ginger sauce. And for my spices I have onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, chili powder, fine leaf thyme powder. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pour some oil into my chicken here. Pour it all over. Then I'm gonna put in my 2 chicken cubes. Then I'm going to put in all of my spices. So now I'm going to put in my green season, mustard, mustard hot sauce, garlic paste, and ginger paste. So now guys, I'm going to take my clean pan and I'm going to mix up all of the seasoning and the spices into the chicken. So I finished mixing up all of the seasoning and the spices into the chicken. So what I'm going to do now is get 2 Ziploc bags, and I'm going to put the chicken inside. A couple pieces in one bag and the rest in the other bag here. Now it's like midnight, and you can take the balance of the seasoning here, and you're gonna put some in this bag. Now guys, I'm gonna close the bag, and like I said before, now it's midnight, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer and let this marinate overnight. It's my mom's birthday tomorrow. Well, you can say it today because it's midnight. So I'm gonna be baking this chicken tomorrow. So this is my honey mustard baked chicken. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So guys, this is the next day. So I took out my chicken like an hour ago and let it off, and this is it here in a Ziploc bag. So my chicken has been marinated in the fridge for overnight. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I have some butter in my pan here. I'm going to butter my pan. The small pieces of legs. I would have an extra leg and thigh. Right, so the legs, I'm just going to try to fit them into the side here. Perfect. And the remaining butter, I'm just gonna take it on top of it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake for about 35 minutes and we'll be back. So my chicken just came out of the oven, so it has been baking in the oven for 35 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn over all of the chicken one by one. If you guys can smell this chicken smells so good with all this seasoning because it was in the fridge marinated overnight. You're smelling all of the flavors. Yes, I'm just gonna turn all of them over. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this back in the oven to bake for another half an hour, so we'll be back. So these are all of the ingredients I'll be using to make the honey mustard sauce. So I have some garlic ginger paste, I have my Annie green seasoning, pure honey, mustard hot sauce, hot and spicy barbecue sauce, ginger powder, garlic powder, and also some brown sugar. So let's go to the stove now. So in a pot there, I put on my stove. I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of butter. Mix it around until the butter melts. Then I'm gonna put in my barbecue sauce, mustard, lots of mustard hot sauce, my honey, a lot of honey. Then I'm just gonna give that a mix. Make sure everything combined together. And then I'm gonna flavor it. I'm just gonna put a little garlic powder and some ginger powder. Also have a ginger and garlic paste. Just put a little tip of that as well. Now I'm gonna pour in some brown sugar and my Annie green seasoning. You guys can check her out. Her products is at all different supermarkets. Yes, so I'm gonna give that a mix. And you're gonna let this boil for a few minutes and let it get a little thick like this consistency. Perfect. So my chicken is done now, so I'm gonna put my chicken in the honey mustard sauce and coat my chicken all over, one at a time. Make sure the front, the back, all different parts of the chicken get this delicious sauce on it. Yes, this sauce is so good, guys. So good. You definitely should try this honey mustard recipe, and when you do, leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy it. Yes, just let me know. All right, and if you reach this far in the video, thanks again for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas. Don't forget to come back every day in December, and I will be uploading a video for you guys. Someday you're gonna get vlogs, someday you're gonna get cooking video. It's gonna be a mixture of different things I'll be doing this December month. Alright guys, so I'm putting the last set of pieces, leg pieces, into the pan there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna pour the little sauce that leave back, and then afterwards I'm gonna put this back in the oven to bake for about 10 more minutes. Yes, just 10 more minutes. All right, and we'll be back. Don't forget, all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. All right guys, so the chicken finished baking, guys. Look at the end product of my honey mustard baked chicken. It looks so good and it was so delicious, guys. Definitely try this recipe. Trust me, you won't regret it at all. Okay, all right, so with my honey mustard baked chicken, I'll be eating it with some rice today. You can eat this honey mustard baked chicken with anything. You can put it in a salad, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with macaroni, whatever you want. But today I'll be eating my honey mustard baked chicken with some macaroni and cheese and raisin rice. Oh, my favorite. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my Vlogmas day 3, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to come back every day in December for another video, right? Thanks again for watching. Don't forget, all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Happy holiday guys. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe and please watch my ads. Take care guys. Bye.